So, hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Libras, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is for singles only, and this is a reading that might or might not resonate with you. Please keep that in mind. Roles can be reversed anytime, and this is a reading for November till the November end, from 1st of November till November end. So, Libra, your recent past energy was Eight of Pentacles. I feel like you were busy making something. It could mean that you were busy making money, or you were really focused on the money part, job part, or business part, or there's something related to money or stability in your life that you were working on. Okay, in the recent past, I can see you clearly working for something very hardly, and just making things happen from your own hand, from your own hard work, from your own deeds, and you were just busy fulfilling your own wishes, especially regarding to money or stability. It could be stability in a relationship, or it could be stability in your life overall. Let me clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Let's see. Seven of Swords and the Ace of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. I feel like you had a self-deceptive energy in the recent past, and you suddenly realized this self-deceptive energy ended, and you suddenly realized that you have lots of love for somebody, or you have lots of emotions for somebody, and these emotions are not letting you sleep even, okay? And that's why you are just trying to rebuild in the recent past, I'm telling you, right? So that's why you were trying to rebuild, or you were trying to start this connection from scratch and build it day by day, make it happen day by day. That was your recent past energy. So remember, this is a reading for November. So if this is not resonating with you right now, or it could be like you are feeling this energy right now because this is the past energy, right? So recent past. So this is that you are over this self-deceptive energy, and you are realizing that you have lots of love and lots of emotions for a particular person, or for a particular situation with a person, and you just want to restart that connection or that situation again, and you just want to build in the recent past, I'm telling you, right? You just wanted to build that stability in your life with this particular person. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Your current energy right now is Page of Swords. This is Page of Swords is again a restarting energy. Again, this is Libra energy only, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, air energy here. But I feel like you are ready to start again. You are just cutting out all the negativity or all the toxicity, or it could mean that you are just cutting out people from here and there in your life right now. And this could also mean that you are spying on your person. You are just testing your person, okay? You are just testing what they are doing. You are just testing what they are going to do if you are not with them. You are just basically testing them. Cool. You are taking some kind of examination, not literal kind of examination, or no, you're just testing this person, how much they care for you, how much they love you, or how much they are going to be loyal with you. This is the test that is going on, that you are taking from this person. And for you especially, I feel like you are just cutting out all the unnecessary people from your energy right now. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. Eight of Wands and the Justice card and the Temperance. Could be dealing with the Libra, could be dealing with the Sagittarius Temperance card. So you are just, right now you are just trying to communicate and balance things between you and this particular person. Or it could be that you are just open for the communication with this particular person, whomsoever you were dealing in the past. You are open to bring the balance in this connection. You are open to bring, cut out all the negativity and toxicity, and you're just open to bring balance. Again, Temperance is also a card of balance, Justice is also a card of balance. You are going to do justice. You just want to do justice with this particular connection, with this particular person, but you are going to be really patient while doing that. You are going to be really patient while doing that, okay? So it is like, yes, you are going to have a communication, back and forth communication with this particular person, whomsoever you are dealing with or you were dealing with, and you will try your best to bring balance or bring justice to the connection, and you will do this very slowly and with your calm energy and with your peaceful energy. You will be in no hurry to do anything, okay, regarding this connection especially. Okay, Libras. Now let's see your your energy for new love, or if somebody new is coming towards you, or what is your energy for new love in your life or love in your life. Okay, let me see. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, although I feel like you feel lots of love, lots of connection with the past person, you want to build a future with them, but I don't see you taking this decision right now to do that. Okay, or to come to a final decision or come to a final conclusion that yes, we are going to get married or we are going to have kids or something like that, or a commitment energy. I feel like you will be more focused right now on your own energy, on growth, on happiness, on money. Again, it is related to money and stability. So I don't see anybody new coming in your life as of now, because I don't see you allowing any kind of new energy coming towards you. Okay, let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles. Let me see. Three of Wands and the Empress card and the Five of Wands. You're just right now trying to look towards a bigger future, look towards a bigger picture of a situation, and I feel like right now you are just trying to move your back towards this person, or move your back towards emotional situations in your life. And I feel like you are going to be in this Empress mode, that you are going to shift your focus completely on the money part, looking good, feeling good, making yourself in some kind of energy where everybody is going to feel like jealous of you, or you are just going to show off to other people, especially the person with whomsoever you were connected with, that yes, you are doing good in your life and you're fantastic, but there will be some kind of internal conflict going on inside of you. I don't see you really happy about this, but I feel like you have to do it, or the universe is forcing you to do it, because you feel some kind of internal conflict going on in your energy right now. So that's why you will take this harsh decision that I will just focus on myself right now. I will just not give a shit to the emotional part of my life right now. Although I can see that in the future you might go to this person and start working on this connection, but not right now. Okay, let's see what will be the potential outcome till the end of November. Ace of Wands in reverse. Lack of passion, lack of interest, you can say, lack of fire, or lack of energy, or lack of action, you can say. So I see you wanting this person badly, you wanting this connection badly in your life, but there will be a lack of action from your side. I don't see you taking any action, and I don't see the other person also taking any kind of action towards you. Let me clarify. Death card and the King of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. You can deeply understand that you guys, both of you, you and your partner, are right now going through some kind of transformation in this relationship, some kind of ending or separation in this relationship. But I don't see you taking any kind of action, because you feel like even after this separation you have lots of love for this particular person, you have lots of emotions for this particular person whomsoever you were connected with, and you are holding back. You are just holding back lots of things right now, because you feel like this is not the right time to reconnect, or this is not the right time to say I love you to them, or this is not the right time to commit to them, anything like that. Something that is bothering you right now, something that is stopping you from being into committed relationship, or from being into a relationship at least with this particular person, because you feel like no, this is not the right time, this is not the right moment to connect with this person on committed level or on love level. So yeah, I see a lack of action from your side, and I see a complete transformation happening in this particular relationship with this particular person. and this is definitely a past person that you are dealing with. You are not over your past till now, so you are just dealing with the past energy right now also. Okay, your past is still so much into your present. This is the situation here. Cool. So thank you so much, Libras, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.